Okay, listen closely. The blueprint we are unpacking today starts with a pretty urgent instruction. Don't focus on video quality, focus on the business idea. This idea is completely fresh. And honestly, they're right. This is a highly lucrative, entirely untopped blueprint for a tech startup. So if you've got any interest in business, tech, or really just the future of human connection, you need to pay attention right now, before someone else takes this concept and completely runs with it.
So, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into what is essentially a high-stakes Silicon Valley pitch deck, the AI dating app blueprint for 2026. We're going to look at the exact architecture of an app that's designed to completely disrupt how we find love, all by using next-generation artificial intelligence. All right, let's jump right in. Here is the game plan for what we're covering. 1. The AI dating blueprint. 2. Revolutionary matchmaking features. 3. Advanced tech and safety. 4. Monetization and revenue models. And finally, 5. Launch, scale, and future. Starting off with Section 1, the AI dating blueprint. The end of traditional dating. Now, the source document actually throws out some super catchy potential names for this platform right off the bat. Names like Love GPT, SoulSync AI, or Heart Connect. But to really understand this blueprint, you have to look at the contrast with traditional apps. I mean, let's be real. Most people are just completely exhausted by standard swiping. The proposed 2026 solution relies on a massive, unique selling proposition. It's a deep fusion of AI, emotion, voice, and personality matching. It's not just about how you look in a quick photo anymore. It's about how you sound, how you feel, and who you actually are. So who is this actually for? This platform zeroes in on 18 to 35-year-old users, specifically targeting high-growth markets like India and the United States. And psychographically speaking, it's custom-built for busy professionals and introverted users who are out there seeking serious long-term relationships. We're talking about premium dating users, people who have money to spend but absolutely do not have the time or the social battery to waste on endless, superficial swiping. They want a real connection, and they desperately need a smarter tool to find it. Moving on to Section 2. Revolutionary matchmaking features, letting AI do the heavy lifting. Because modern dating fatigue is so real. The AI essentially takes over right from day one with the profile builder. I mean, crafting the perfect profile, agonizing over that first message, trying to keep a dead conversation alive, it is a ton of work. This blueprint solves all of that by just handing those anxiety-inducing parts straight over to the AI. Step 1, you just upload a raw photo and record a quick voice intro. That's literally it. Step 2, the AI analyzes your hobbies, listens to the tone of your voice, and completely writes a custom, highly engaging bio for you. It even picks out your best photos. Step 3, boom, an attractive, perfectly optimized profile is generated automatically. You never have to stress over copywriting your own romance ever again. But it gets better, because the AI doesn't stop at the profile. Once a match is actually made, the AI chat assistant kicks in. Think of it as your ultimate digital wingman. It actively feeds you first message suggestions, like, complimenting their travel photos, along with flirting ideas and conversation continuations that are specifically designed to prevent ghosting. It literally keeps the momentum of the chat going when we humans might just draw a total blank. It literally keeps the momentum of the chat going when we humans might just draw a total blank. So the absolutely crucial point here is how these connections are calculated in the first place. Imagine logging in and seeing a 92% match with someone. This isn't just some random number pulled out of thin air. The smart AI matchmaking system derives this score by analyzing a staggering amount of data. It looks at personality traits, specific interests, communication styles, and get this is fascinating, even your sleep timing, daily lifestyle, and long-term goals. It's actively pairing people whose actual daily rhythms and life trajectories align perfectly. And it goes even deeper, and frankly, a lot more fun. Imagine seeing a metric that says marriage compatibility 84%. The blueprint outlines these super advanced AI features like couple future prediction and deep personality testing using MBTI psychology frameworks. These aren't just highly accurate tools for finding a life partner. They are incredibly sticky, entertaining features that are going to keep users obsessively engaged with the app. All right, Section 3, Advanced Tech and Safety, Building Trust and Security. In the modern dating landscape, having smooth technology and ironclad safety protocols is absolutely what makes or breaks an app. If users don't feel safe or if the interface is laggy, they're going to delete it in 3 seconds flat.
Building that level of trust requires a serious enterprise-grade technical foundation. Under the hood, for the front-end interface, you're looking at Flutter or React Native to ensure a beautifully smooth mobile experience. The backend relies on Node.js and Firebase. But the real magic, that's in the AI component, utilizing the OpenAI API or Gemini API to do all that heavy cognitive lifting we just talked about, supported by robust databases like MongoDB or PostgreSQL. And that powerful tech stack? It powers some of the most advanced AI safety systems ever proposed for a dating app. The AI features a literal red flag detector that actively spots toxic behavior and abusive language in chats. It uses scam pattern detection to protect your wallet and fake profile detection that flags bots or copied bios instantly. When you pass all these checks, you're awarded this crucial verified human trust badge. It even features mood detection, actually analyzing chat and voice vibes to see if a user is happy, sad, or angry, and then it adjusts the app's suggestions based on that. I mean, that is next-level personalization right there.
Okay, Section 4, Monetization and Revenue Models, the million-dollar engine.
The psychology behind the pricing tiers here is pretty brilliant. The free plan is highly restrictive on purpose. You get limited swipes, limited matches, and just the most basic features. But upgrading to a premium plan, which is priced anywhere from $10 to $50 a month, unlocks the real magic. We're talking unlimited matches, access to a dedicated AI relationship coach that offers actual dating and breakup advice, profile boosts, and totally premium features like voice compatibility scoring and an invisible mode. Users who are genuinely paying for results will happily subscribe for this level of AI assistance. But wait, the monthly subscriptions are really just the baseline. This app is designed with these amazing additional revenue streams through microtransactions. We are talking virtual roses and gifts, super likes, and highly targeted in-app advertisements. But it goes even further. Users can literally pay for professional human dating consultations right through the app, or even pay small fees for premium, highly personalized AI-generated love letters to send to their top matches.
So when you combine those subscriptions with the microtransactions, it creates staggering financial potential. The source estimates scaling this up in 3 distinct phases. At a small scale, when you're just testing the waters, you're looking at $5,000 to $20,000 a month. As you gain traction and hit a medium scale, that jumps massively to $50,000 to $200,000 a month. And at a large global scale, this blueprint is explicitly architected to generate over $1 million a month. Just an absolute empire.
Which brings us to Section 5, Launch, Scale, and Future. Taking the market by storm. Because having the best app in the world literally doesn't matter if nobody knows it exists, right? The source document outlines a very clear 3-step growth strategy for rapid user acquisition. Step 1 relies heavily on short-form viral video content, so Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, to really show off those crazy AI features. Step 2 is a classic, highly effective referral system. You give users free premium access for inviting their friends. And Step 3 is where the trust is built, partnering directly with real-world dating coaches and relationship influencers to promote the app to their already super engaged audiences. And you don't just launch everywhere at once. You have to launch where the money and the demographics are already primed. The prime launch markets are heavily focused on the United States and India for maximum early adoption, followed closely by the United Kingdom, Canada, and the United Arab Emirates. These specific markets hit that perfect intersection of high disposable income, massive smartphone penetration, and total dating app familiarity. But a true tech unicorn, they are always looking 10 years down the road. Long term, the Blueprint envisions features that frankly sound like science fiction today, but will absolutely be reality tomorrow. We're talking AI virtual boyfriends and girlfriends for those who just prefer digital companionship, VR dating rooms, and metaverse integration, where you can literally go on a virtual date without leaving your living room, even hologram dates. This app isn't just planning for 2026, it is planning for the entire future of human interaction. Which actually brings us back to a super urgent request from the creator of this blueprints. In their original notes, they explicitly urge you to take action. They say, if you want to work on this idea, comment below so others don't take it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. They are literally telling you to stake your claim right now. If you are an entrepreneur watching this explainer, the $1 Million Blueprint is right here in front of you. I want to leave you with this lingering question to ponder. With all this incredible, futuristic technology at our fingertips, is 2026 the year artificial intelligence completely replaces the organic magic of human matchmaking? Or is it just the year we finally use tech to get human connection right?
Let that sink in for a minute. Thank you so much for learning with me today, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.